Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volkswagen Tiguan's tire pressure light. First, ensure all 4 tires are inflated to the correct pressure. You can find this recommended PSI on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb or in your owner's manual. This initial step is vital for both your safety and the vehicle's performance, as incorrect tire pressure can lead to issues like reduced fuel economy and uneven tire wear. For many newer Volkswagen Tiguan models, you can reset the tire pressure light using the infotainment system. Begin by turning your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, tap the car button on your touchscreen display. From there, navigate to the tires or TPMS section within the settings. You should then see an option to set or store the current tire pressures. Select this to complete the reset. If your Tiguan doesn't use the infotainment system for resetting, you might have a physical button or an option in the instrument cluster. Look for a TPMS reset button, which is commonly found in the glove box or beneath the steering wheel. Press and hold it for about 2 seconds until you hear a chime. For some models, you'll use the steering wheel controls to navigate the instrument cluster menu, selecting tire pressure and then store. After attempting a reset, it's important to drive your Tiguan for a few minutes, ideally at 16 miles per hour or more, to allow the system to recalibrate. If the tire pressure light remains on, carefully recheck all tire pressures and repeat the entire reset process. Should the light continue to flash, this often signals a faulty sensor or a battery issue within the TPMS, and it's best to consult a qualified mechanic for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.